Now let's talk about the word Nato. Pronunciation, Nato. So stress on the first syllable, Nato. Part of speech, it's a first person plural inclusive pronoun. Okay, so it is an object or possessive form. Meaning, Nato means us or our, when the group includes both the speaker and the listener. Function, it marks who performs, okay, or receives an action that's after the verb, or whose when showing possession. Okay, it's after preposition. For contracted form, there is no standard contraction of Nato in Cebuano. In every casual speech, you might hear a slight vowel reduction, so sounds like nto, nto. Okay, but this is informal and regional. Okay, so sentence position always follows a verb or a preposition, never as a subject. For example here, verb plus nato, gihatag nato ang libro. It means we gave the book. Preposition plus nato, para nato kini. It means this is for us. So it's incorrect to say nato gihatag ang libro. It's incorrect to say nato nagluto. So nato as a subject is incorrect. So it should be kita or kami ang nagluto. Okay? So these are the common phrases. Gihatag nato, it means we gave. So we as an inclusive. Para nato, for us. Gikan nato, from us. Uban nato, it means with us. And wala pa nato, it means we don't have yet. Now let's have the detailed usage of nato. Nato as the agent, it means we did it. So for example, gihatag nato ang donasyon. It means we gave the donation. As the recipient, it means for us. So para nato kini nga proyekto. It means this project is for us. As possessive, it means our. So our or ours, okay? So for example, kwarto nato karon. So it means our room now. And for distinguishing inclusive versus exclusive, so nato includes the person you're speaking to. So nato. And namo excludes the person you're speaking to. So namo. Okay? So nato, namo. So these are the common mistakes of using nato. So first is mixing up nato. So nato is inclusive with namo, which is exclusive. So for example, gihatag namo ang libro. So it means we gave the book when you mean we as an exclusive. Okay? So gihatag nato ang libro. So you'd say it means we gave the book. So that's inclusive. Okay? So nato inclusive, namo exclusive. And using as subject instead of object or pronoun after verb and preposition. So for example, nato nagtrabaho. So this is an incorrect sentence. So it should be kita or kami ang nagtrabaho. So the subject pronoun, which is kita or kami. And the word order errors. So nato gihatag ang libro. So this is an incorrect sentence. So it should be gihatag nato ang libro. Now let's have example sentences. So number 1, gihatag nato ang regalo sa maestro. Gihatag nato ang regalo sa maestro. It means we gave the gift to the teacher. Number 2, para nato ni nga panihapon. Para nato ni nga panihapon. So it means this dinner is for us. And number 3, para nato ni. Para nato ni. It means this is for us. Now let's answer the following questions. So please choose the correct answer for each question. Let's start number 1. Asa nato ibutang ang libro? Is it A, nato ibutang ang libro sa estante? B, ibutang nato ang libro sa estante? C, estante sa ibutang nato ang libro? What's the answer? Yes, the answer is letter B. So, ibutang nato ang libro sa estante. Question 2. Kanusa nato sugdan ang meeting? Is it A, meeting alas 9 nato sugdan? B, sugdan og alas 9 ang nato meeting? Or C, sugdan nato ang meeting og alas 9? What's the answer? Yes, the answer is letter C. Sugdan nato ang meeting og alas 9. Question 3. Unsay buhaton nato karon? Is it A, lutoon nato ang panihapon karon? B, nato lutoon og karon panihapon? C, lutoon karon og nato panihapon? What's the answer? Yes, the answer is letter A. Lutoon nato ang panihapon karon. Question 4. Asa nato dadon ang bisita ugma? Is it A, siya dadon nato ugma sa templo? B, dadon siya nato sa templo ugma? Or C, dadon nato siya sa templo ugma? What's the answer? Yes, the answer is letter C. Dadon nato siya sa templo ugma. Number 5. Unsay kinahanglan nato paliton sa tindahan? Is it A, kinahanglan paliton ang bugas ug nato gatas? B, kinahanglan nato paliton ang bugas ug gatas? Or C, paliton nato kinahanglan ang bugas ug gatas? What's the answer? Yes, the answer is letter B. Kinahanglan nato paliton ang bugas o gatas. Alright, so did you answer the questions perfectly? Good job, and thank you for answering this exercise with me. To see the explanation of each question, please refer to the page of Nato. If you want to practice speaking Cebuano or want to learn more about the Cebuano language, please don't hesitate to take my class on italki. Magkita ta dito. I hope to see you there in my class. Daghang salamat sa sunod na sad. Maayong adlaw sa tanan.